Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Srinivas. So in this video, I am going to explain about pointer to array concept. See how we make the pointer pointing to array. So already we know that array is also an internal pointer variable. Suppose if I am taking one array, directly I am writing the code here. Integer, suppose a, size 5 we are taking, some values 7, 8, 9, 4, 2. Some values we have taken simply. Now all the values get memory 7, 8, 9, 4, 2. All these values with the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are taking that base address, initial address of the memory block starting with the 2046 plus 4 bytes is a 50, 54, 58 and 62 because each element occupies 4 bytes memory. Array variable holds the base address of the memory block, that is 2046, and it is pointing to this one simply. Now here, if you want to make the pointer pointing to just integer pointer p, into that p, we are storing that a. Sir, where is the address operator? Normally, pointer variables holds address. With the help of ampersand, address operator only, you are assigning the value. Here, a is already holding the address. So directly, you can assign the value. Simply, p holds 2046. So p is also start pointing to this one. So then how can we access the elements? Simply, we are repeating the for loop, declaring the I index for I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. 5 times we are repeating the loop. So then how can we access? We know already, if you access a of I, that is internally converts into pointer of a plus I. You can use this index based structure and you can access this pointer based structure also. In the same way, whenever the pointer is pointing to that array, is the same one. Either you can go with the p of I or you can go with the pointer p plus I. Because already we have discussed, pointer of p plus I is nothing but pointer of p is a 2046 plus 0. Pointer 2046 plus 1, pointer 2046 plus 2, 2046 plus 0, that is pointer 2046, value is a 7. Next one is a pointer 2046 plus 1 means what? 4 bytes will increase, is a 50. What is the value which is inside? That is 8. Pointer 2054. That value is a 9, like this it will display. So sir, how can we display printf %d? Simply, you can write pointer of p plus I or you can write p of I. Anything works. But anyway, we are accessing through pointers, so we always recommended to use this one. When a pointer is pointing to the array, how can we access the elements of that array? This is the simple way. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.